Hi my lovelies and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Today is just a quick tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I got a lot of requests from my subscribers to do just an eyebrow tutorial, so this is it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media site, Instagram and Snapchat. Please also thumbs up this video if you liked it and found it useful. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to leave you to watch it and see what I do, but I will mention what I'm doing in between parts. So at the moment, what I'm doing is just outlining my eyebrow in my NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso. Giving myself the shape that I want for my eyebrows, I will then go in and fill them in with my Magic Flower long wear 24-hour long wear eye gel. Yes, I know this is eyeliner, but you can pretty much use any eyebrow pomade that you like. You can get this from any of the Boots or Superdrug, and most brands do cover it now, like NYX, L'Oreal, they do a pretty good one, and I think Elf do a nice one as well. So what you want to do to achieve the hairline strokes, if you're like me, which is quite sparse at the front of your eyebrows, is to do feather light strokes upwards to give the perception that it's actually hair strokes. So that's what I do to achieve the front hair on my eyebrows there. With my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in shade 4 and carve out my eyebrows. I use a lighter concealer shade for the bottom of my eyebrows because I like the way it makes my brow bone stand out, and over the top I will be going in with the Makeup's Revolution concealer in the shade C13, and that's because I want the concealer over the top of my brow to be more of my complexion shade. But it's entirely up to you what kind of concealer shade you want to use. What I would suggest, however, is make sure that it's a thick consistency rather than a runny one, because it's easier to work with. So that's what I'm doing with my bottom brow, because it's easier to actually blend it out and do a more precise cut so that your eyebrows look perfect. what I like to do is get my Real Techniques beauty sponge and make sure that it's damp, not wet but damp, and then completely buff out concealer, making sure that it blends right into the skin. Obviously the bottom one won't blend in as much as the top one because the top shade is more close to my skin complexion, but what you want to do is buff it into the skin so that you don't get any harsh lines, and that's what I'm going to do. So take your time buffing it out because you don't want to go over your eyebrows that you've just done, but take your time just blending that in. Blend, 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 blend. Blending is your friend, and take your time in this part, and that's it. And if you want to achieve a more of a gradient look at the front, I will show you how to do that with a spoolie in a minute. Just to soften the front edges of my eyebrows, I'm just going to use a spoolie to just brush away the colour just a little bit so it goes into a fade. So it kind of goes into a fade, into a thick bit, because most people's eyebrows, that's what it looks like. So it just helps it to give it a more natural look. So I brush at the front just to remove some of the colouring so it fades out a little bit, and then that's it. I hope that this video has been good for you and you've enjoyed it, and now you see how my eyebrows can look thicker and fuller just by adding products to it. So that's how I achieve the bigger look. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later. Bye.